Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert a Google Sheets spreadsheet into a PDF step by step. This is useful when you want to print, share, or save your spreadsheet in a professional format, so let's get started. First, open Google Sheets and open the spreadsheet you want to convert. Next, go to the top left corner and click on File. From the drop-down menu, hover over Download. Then select PDF.pdf from the list. A print and export settings window will now appear. Here, you can customize how your PDF will look. You can choose options like portrait or landscape orientation, paper size, margins, page scaling, and whether to show grid lines or sheet names. You can also select whether to export the current sheet, workbook, or selected cells only. Once you finish adjusting the settings, click on Export in the top right corner. Google Sheets will now generate the PDF file and automatically download it to your computer. You can open the file to review it, print it, or share it with others. And that's it. You've successfully converted a Google Sheets file into a PDF. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Google Sheets tutorials and productivity tips. See you in the next one.